proceed with the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
WMOV-FM HD Norfolk, moving 107.7. Download the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, east central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Sedley, or 9 miles southwest of Wakefield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sedley around 2 o'clock p.m. Ivor around 2:15 p.m. Zunai around 2:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Vicksville, Collis, Dory, Berlin, Walters, Seabrook, Burdett, Manry, and Littleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 7:45 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Oxford for 8 miles southwest of Houston, moving at 35 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southern Talbot County. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, Net. A personal weather station measured 84 miles per hour wind gusts on Turner Island. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Easton, Denton, Federalsburg, Trapp, St. Michael's, Hudson, Oxford, Tanyard, Harmony, Smithville, Copperville, Exeter, Matthews, Charlton, Capital, Griffin, Winnie Hill, and Cordova. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado like wind speed. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Just hearing the word IRS can make people break out in a cold sweat. No one wants to deal with the IRS, and now you don't have to. The good news is legal tax defense has been successfully negotiated.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Virginia, Chesapeake, VA, Portsmouth, VA, Suffolk, VA, and Virginia Beach, VA, beginning at 2:40 p.m. Monday, June 16th and ending at 2:40 a.m. Tuesday, June 17th. BSP Amber Alert. Gary Foreman, 5 years old, black male, black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing red Crocs, blue shorts, gray True Religion t-shirt. Black male, black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing red Crocs, blue shorts, gray True Religion t-shirt. Last seen on foot in the 900 block of East Liberty Street, Norfolk, Virginia. Visit https://lumber for further information. June 17th. Lumber. Information. Wearing red Crocs. /lumber for further information.
I seriously need some help here.
He needs to find marketing managers.
In this world, we can become unsynced to heaven. We're not getting his power. We're not getting his blessings. We can become critical. We can start to complain, start to doubt. And sort of the hard reset on our heart to resync our hearts up to heaven is to lift up that worship song. So maybe today, that's just what you need. Find time in your regular rhythm to carve out space and stall vehicles. That a life in Christ, how do you And so sometimes these things can be as a gift to you, and you look at it like something you're going to run from.
The city of Portsmouth has experienced 1-2 inches of rain in the past 2 hours. Some areas in the city are experiencing flooded intersections and stalled vehicles. Water can be higher than expected. Turn around, don't drown. If you need assistance, please call 911.
Church is his body.
Delaware State Police is attempting to locate a missing juvenile in the Dagsboro, Delaware area. Caden Dennis, an 11-year-old white male, 5 foot tall, 90 pounds, blue eyes, and brown hair. Anyone with information, contact Troop 4 at 302-856-5850.
The culprit?
Effective immediately, all Caroline County 911 emergency calls have been redirected to Talbot County. The Caroline County 911 Center is still experiencing technical difficulties. Until further notice, please be aware all 911 calls made in Caroline County will be answered in Talbot County by Caroline County Emergency Services dispatchers. Rest assured all calls will be processed without delay.
Random call or two.
Okay.
To find out whether those puppies were sick.
Okay.
Just to make certain, because you understand that if it's something that was endemic in this litter, it would have affected the other puppies.
I do have picture updates.
Just a second. I understand that you may have a picture update. I would like the name and number of a couple of the people to whom I...
The following is a winter weather warning message for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, England, Worcester, Maryland Beaches, Somerset, and Wycomico. Issued at 2:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Blizzard warning in effect from 1 p.m. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations between 8 and 14 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour. Where? Dorchester, England, Worcester, Maryland Beaches, Somerset, and Wycomico counties. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds can bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Call 511 for road information. Repeating, a blizzard warning has been issued from 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, England, Worcester, Maryland Beaches, Somerset, and Wycomico. Issued at Wycomico. Until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, England, Worcester, Maryland Beaches, Somerset, and Wycomico. I had to get on a matter.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Issued at 11:13 p.m. Flash flood emergency for city of Petersburg and southern city of Miami counties. The National Water Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for the Colonial Heights, the city of Petersburg, until 2:15 a.m.
At 11:13 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the city of Petersburg. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for city of Petersburg in southern city of Colonial Heights. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Petersburg, Colonial Heights, Fort Bragg, Adams, Patrick, and Petersburg National Battlefield. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Because we know